So how do we use the Lash and Brow Growth Serum? Something that's always asked. Here's my tube, really simple. So once a day, not more than once. If you put it on more than once, it's not gonna help them grow. So one dip in, as I like to say. Let's do the brows first. I tend to kind of do all the brows. Now, if you want your hair to kind of grow down here, which mine is, or if you, for instance, maybe you need your brows to grow outwardly here, you may want to try it, or down here, where you want it to grow. Then you go to the other eye. Notice I use the same dip. I don't add more. I might even flip this over, kind of along here where they grow. Now, for lashes, one dip in, come back out. Start with the inner corner and go outwards. And go out. And that's it. If there's an area maybe you want to concentrate, but you're putting it in the area between where the lashes and the lid actually meet. That's where you're doing it once a day. One dip in for one part, one dip in for the eye. So it's pretty simple.
Okay, so one of the things that I forgot, and actually a client reminded me of this, is the bottom lashes. So go from the inside out, inside out. And kind of go back if you didn't get enough like I did. Yeah, don't neglect your bottom lashes. Don't know what I was thinking. Might have had like a senior moment, but bottom lashes. So one dip in for the brows, one dip in for the lashes, and then you can do your bottom lashes too. So I just
give it anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks for the lashes to grow. It's scientifically proven. It's a great formula. For those of you that have lash extensions, it doesn't have oil in it. It doesn't have preservatives. It actually has radish root to help preserve it. It has niacinamide, which not only helps the lashes to grow, but also helps to thicken them. It has a bunch of antioxidants because as we age, that's actually what kind of slows down the hair. It has a peptide in it. So other brands out there have things that are not so great for the skin and the body. This is using a peptide that's been scientifically proven. It's a great formula. I've been using it. I noticed that my brows are actually getting thicker, so I don't have any. And so another thing to do is have your handy dandy little brush, but I notice now I don't necessarily have to fill them in anymore. They are getting thicker and they are longer, so I do have to trim and shape them a little bit more, but I'm loving it. If you have any questions, you know how to contact me. So that is the gorgeous lash and brow tutorial. Thanks so much.